Dates are nature's candy, loaded with natural sugars, mainly glucose and fructose, for a quick energy boost. They are also a good source of fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps you feeling full for longer. Dates are rich in dietary fiber, promoting bowel regularity and preventing constipation. They also contain prebiotics, which nourish gut bacteria and contribute to a healthy digestive system. Dates are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, which may help combat chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Dates protect your cells from harmful free radicals. The antioxidants and potassium in dates may improve cognitive function and memory. Studies suggest they may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Dates are a good source of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are crucial for bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Consuming dates can enhance natural labor, reducing cesarean complications. It is suggested that adding dates to a pregnant woman's diet may ease childbirth pressure. Dates contain vitamin C and D, which contribute to healthy and glowing skin. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that may help combat skin conditions like acne and eczema.